is an uphill task, and Dr. D. Ram Rajak has shouldered this responsibility in a very meticulous manner. I now invite Dr. Rajak, Secretary, Indian Society of Remote Sensing, Ahmedabad chapter, and organizing secretary of this national symposium for his opening remarks. Dr. Rajak, sir, please.
Respected Chief Guest, Dr. K. Sivan, Secretary DOS and Chairman of Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. Respected Guest of Honor, Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, former Chairman ISRO and Secretary DOS. Director Space Application Center, SAC, Sri D.K. Das sir. Scientific Secretary ISRO, Sri Uma Maheswaran sir. President, Indian Society of Remote Sensing, ISRS, Sri Nilesh Desai sir. President, Indian Society of Geomatics, ISG, Dr. Rajkumar. Secretary, ISG, Sri Sasikant Sharma. My dear researchers from various institutes and universities of India, members of various committees of this symposium, students and academia, my dear colleagues, and ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to one and all. I am very pleased to welcome this August gathering at this inaugural session and awards function of ISRS ISG National Symposium 2020 and annual convention of ISRS and ISG. Apart from our esteemed Chief Guest Dr. K. Sivan sir and Guest of Honor Dr. K. Radhakrishnan sir, this symposium has attracted a large number of researchers and subject experts in various fields, along with many young and keen learners, as symposium is the best place to interact and exchange knowledge as well as to share the scientific experience. Both the societies, ISRS and ISG, encourage this knowledge sharing and hence they continue to organize such joint symposiums every year. Traditionally, one of the societies take lead in organizing this joint event every year. This year, ISRS is organizing this two-day online event on the theme of remote sensing for environment monitoring and climate change assessment, opportunities and challenges. This is the first time that this symposium is being organized in online mode because the current COVID-19 pandemic has posed a number of challenges to humankind and prevented us from holding any physical gatherings. However, accepting challenges and moving against all odds is an inherent characteristic of mankind. This is an example of the popular saying in Hindi, आवश्यकता आविष्कार की जननी होती है. And therefore, we are doing this event in a virtual mode on such a large and comprehensive scale. We have received overwhelming response with more than 260 paper submissions for this symposium, despite a late announcement. This symposium has 10 major components. One of them is technical oral presentations in 5 parallel sessions with 4 time slots, making it a total of 20 technical oral sessions. It is covering more than 200 oral papers. There are 2 technical poster sessions covering 64 papers. Then there is one ISG Millennium Lecture, a sponsors exhibition session, ISRS and ISG Annual Awards Ceremony, annual general meetings of ISRS and ISG, virtual cultural program, and finally valedictory session. As all of you are well aware that this inaugural cum main plenary session, our honorable guest of honor, Dr. K. Radhakrishnan sir, will be delivering the prestigious ISRS Vikram Sarabhai Memorial Lecture. In the end, I may like to add that in case you have any query regarding any component of the symposium, kindly let me know through email or my mobile. I will contact you or reply as soon as possible. Once again, welcome all of you at this much awaited annual event of ISRS and ISG. Thank you all so much. Thank you very much.